Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are checking out the Louis Vuitton MURAKAMI Flowergram 15mm reversible belt. Now this was my favorite piece of the entire collection, and I'm so thankful that I was able to pick it up, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So as with all of my other store orders, they did not come in special Murakami packaging, but I think at this point that's a little bit old news. In any case, so excited to have the belt itself. Now, I've never ordered a belt from Louis Vuitton before, so it's kind of interesting to me how it's come. It has come in a small square box, and it does come with a dust bag, which I think is really awesome. So I'm definitely going to use all these pieces when storing it. Now, because there is a piece of hardware and it is that Flowergram, it does have a protective piece of, packaging that comes around it. So I think that's a really nice touch as well. I know there's always a magnifying glass on the details from luxury, so I think it is great to, give credit where credit is due. Now, let's take a look at the belt itself. Now, I really love this piece. I think it's so perfect, and I really like that it has the smaller LV logo. Of course, it is a really thin belt, so if they were any larger, you wouldn't really see the full LV. So I really like how they did this because you do get all of the colors in there all at once. Now, what I thought was interesting, because I haven't seen this print before, is the way that the pattern repeats. So you're going to have the same colors of the LV logo in a line with the same accented elements throughout. So right along the center of the belt, you will see a repetition and alternation of LV logo and flower symbol. So the colorway is green, I believe a magenta pink, or more of like a darker berry, then a hot LV pink, then a blue flower, a black LV, a light tan, and then a green LV. And again, it repeats. So throughout on both the top and the bottom, kind of in the center of each of those features, you are going to have additional colors. So you'll have some blue, you'll have some yellow, some burgundy, green, etc. Now, I do think that there are 33 colors in the Murakami print, but I think we only have either 11 or 13 here. Now, of course, there's not a lot of surface area, so I guess that makes sense, but do just keep it in mind as a fun fact. Now, let's go ahead and put this on and see how we like it. Now, I'm definitely going to wear this as kind of a higher hip or a waist belt, so let's try it on in those two locations. Now, keep in mind that this is a reversible belt, and we can use it on the Murakami print, but we can also flip it around and wear it on the hot pink side. Now, I kind of wish that it was not hot pink on the other side, so it would just be a little bit more versatile. But I do think that the hot pink is on brand for the collection, so overall, I'm really happy with it. Now, I purchased the size 70, and I am a 26 size pants, sometimes 25, sometimes 27, depending on the brand. So just keep that in mind in terms of sizing. Now, I'm not going to flip the Flowergram itself because I don't want to dent it the other way, but I just want to demonstrate how the hot pink would look. And I think that you can see a little bit of the white finish on the borders, but it doesn't feel intrusive to me, but do note that the white does kind of peek out on the top and the bottom. Now, that's all we have for you for this unboxing. Let me know what you think of this item in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.